Hi everybody. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a WordPress website using the Divi theme. I'll take you through the entire process step by step. We'll start by getting a domain name and web hosting. Then we'll install WordPress, set up the Divi theme, and build the pages using Divi Builder. We'll use both pre-made templates and the AI features in Divi. And at the end, I'll explain how to set up your website properly by changing a few important settings in WordPress. Let's begin by getting your hosting and domain name. A good place to start is Namecheap. Namecheap is a popular platform where you can buy both a domain name and hosting. Open your browser and go to namecheap.com. First, type the name you want for your website into the domain search bar. This is where you choose your site name. For example, if you want your website to be called My First Website, you can type that into the search bar. If the domain name is available, Namecheap will show it with a price. If someone else already owns that domain, Namecheap will show other similar options. Choose the one that suits you and add it to your cart. After choosing your domain, the next step is to get hosting. Hosting is what keeps your website online. On Namecheap, click on the Hosting tab, then choose Shared Hosting. This is the most common type of hosting for beginners. You will see several plans. The Stellar plan is enough if you're just starting with one website. Click Get Started and continue to checkout. During the checkout process, Namecheap will ask if you want to connect your domain name to this hosting. Say yes and continue. Once you've paid for your hosting and domain name, you'll get an email from Namecheap with your account details and a link to your hosting dashboard. From here, you'll be able to install WordPress with just a few clicks. Log into your Namecheap dashboard and go to the Apps section or use the Softaculous app installer. Click on the WordPress icon. Fill in the installation details, like the site name, admin username, and password. Choose the domain you just bought and then click Install. It will take a minute or two and then your WordPress site will be ready. Now that WordPress is installed, we can move on to setting up the Divi theme. To do this, you need to have an Elegant Themes account. Go to elegantthemes.com and sign up. Once you have an account, log in and go to the Downloads area. Download the Divi theme file. It will be a zip file. Do not unzip it. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Appearance in the left menu and click on Themes. Then click the Add New button at the top. After that, click Upload Theme and choose the Divi zip file you downloaded. Click Install Now and wait a few moments. Once it's installed, click Activate. Now your website is using the Divi theme. To use all its features, you need to activate Divi with your license key. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Divi in the menu and then to Theme Options. At the top, you will see a place to enter your Elegant Themes username and API key. You can find the API key in your Elegant Themes account under your profile. Paste the key and username in WordPress and click Save. Now, all Divi features are unlocked. Let's create the main pages for your website. You can do this by going to Pages and clicking Add New. Give the page a title, like Home, and then click Use Divi Builder. Divi gives you three options when building a page. You can build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or let the AI help you. Let's start with the pre-made layout option, which is by far the quickest and easiest way to create a professional-looking page using the Divi theme. This method is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to get a beautiful design up and running without starting from scratch. When you're editing a page with Divi, look for the option that says Choose a pre-made layout. Clicking on this will open up the Divi library, which is filled with an extensive collection of layout packs. These layout packs are complete website designs and they're categorized by industry and style. So, whether you're building a site for a restaurant, a freelance portfolio, a fitness business, or even a personal blog, you'll find a layout pack tailored to your needs. Each layout pack usually includes multiple pre-designed pages that all match in style and branding. This means you'll often find pages like Home, About, Services, Contact, Blog, and more, all designed to work together seamlessly. Instead of designing every page individually, you can apply a consistent design across your entire website in just a few clicks. To get started, scroll through the available layout packs or use the search bar if you have a specific type of business or style in mind. Once you've made your choice, simply click the button labeled Use this layout. Divi will then import the layout directly onto your current page. This process only takes a few moments, and once it's done, you'll see the new design fully loaded onto your page, complete with images, sections, rows, and placeholder text. From there, customizing the layout is incredibly easy. Divi's Visual Builder lets you click on any element on the page to edit it directly. You can click on text to change the wording, swap out images by clicking on them and uploading your own, and even rearrange sections by dragging and dropping them into place. If you're looking for something more custom and tailored specifically to your needs, Divi offers a powerful built-in AI tool called Divi AI. This is a fantastic option if you want a unique layout, but don't want to spend hours designing every detail yourself. Instead of starting with a pre-made layout, you can let the AI do the heavy lifting for you while still maintaining full creative control. To get started, return to your page editor and select the Let AI Build It For You option. Divi AI will begin by prompting you to enter some basic information. You'll be asked to describe what your site is about, the kind of look or style you want, and the types of sections you'd like on your page. After you fill in the details and click Continue, Divi AI will use your input to create a custom layout. In just a few moments, it will generate a unique page design that's intelligently structured and styled based on your preferences. The layout will include the sections you specified and will be arranged in a way that makes sense for your type of content. Once the layout is created, everything is fully editable. You can click on any section, row, or module to customize it however you like. Change the text, replace images, update colors and fonts, or rearrange sections. Everything is done visually using Divi's intuitive drag-and-drop builder. Divi AI gives you a smart starting point that's built around your content and vision. It saves time without sacrificing creativity, giving you the flexibility to build a personalized, professional-looking page with ease. Once your page looks how you want, click the Save button again. Do the same steps for other pages like About, Services, or Contact. Create a new page each time and either use a pre-made layout or AI to build it. Now let's take care of some important settings that help your site work better. Go to the Settings section in the left menu and click Permalinks. Change the permalink structure to Post Name. This will make your URLs clean and easy to remember. This is better for visitors and for search engines. Next, go to Settings again and click Reading. Here, you want to set a static front page. Click the radio button for a static page. Then, choose your home page from the drop-down menu. If you also created a blog page, select that as your posts page. Click Save Changes. By now, your site should have the Divi theme activated, pages created, and the correct settings in place. You can keep building your site by adding more pages, customizing the layout, and editing the design. The Divi Builder makes it easy to drag and drop sections, add text, change colors, and more. You can also preview how your site looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile by clicking the icons at the bottom of the Divi Builder. Remember, you can always go back and change anything. If you want a different design later, just open the page, click Load Layout, and choose another pre-made design or let the AI create a new one. You now have a working WordPress website using the Divi theme. You've learned how to get your hosting and domain name, install WordPress, upload and activate the Divi theme, use pre-made templates, try Divi AI, and set up the key WordPress settings. From here, you can keep growing your website by adding content, images, and features that match your goals. Whether it's a personal blog, a business site, or a portfolio, Divi gives you all the tools to make it happen with no coding needed. As you saw in this video, creating a WordPress site with Divi is straightforward and powerful. It's perfect whether you're building for yourself or for clients. If you're ready to build your own site using the tools I showed, check out the link in the description to get access to Divi through Elegant Themes.